Hello, welcome to our channel today. We are going to be looking at the fuse boxes that are available for the 2018 upwards Goldwing GL1800. We generally have two in stock. There's the Show Chrome and there's the Pathfinder models. So we're going to look at the contents of the box, difference in prices and difference in the quality of the two accessories. So to start with, we have the Show Chrome accessory. You have the two wiring harnesses that tap into your existing wiring loom. You have connectors that are required for the installation of it. You have the fuse box. And you have the instructions. All pretty straightforward and simple. After that then we have the Pathfinder. That over there for a second. Pathfinder model. Again, similar in construction. You have your fuse box, your connections, your two wiring harnesses, and your instructions. So that's the two of them anyway. Now this one's €108 plus the VAT. This is €185 plus the VAT, which is a big difference between the two of them. So why are you getting a difference? Now that's more difficult to install because you have these wiring connectors to use to connect up those connectors into these cabling, which is a bit messy. The cabling is not as heavy as it is on the Pathfinder one. With the Pathfinder one, you have your two harnesses for your connectors for your wiring harness, and these connect into these connectors there, which is much simpler and straightforward. These go into your battery, your auxiliary and your negative, and these then are all your connectors, which are fairly well wired, as you can see. So each color will tell you which function they do. This one wouldn't be as detailed. You have your indicators, running lights, brake lights, all connected in there. So it's a lot. There's a bit more wiring involved with the Show Chrome one than there's with the Pathfinder one. As I said, there's a big difference in price, but this is a much heavier unit than this one. So it depends on how many accessories you're looking to tap into. Will depend on which one you use. But if you're putting any accessories onto your 2018 bike, I would recommend you use one of them. So whichever one you choose, whether it's the Pathfinder one at €185 plus VAT, or the Show Chrome one at $108.50 plus VAT. The Pathfinder one is a heavier unit, will take up a much better power source, drain or load, and the Show Chrome one will be lighter. So it depends on the amount of accessories you want to add to your bike. But either way, you should choose one of them if you're going to go forward to put accessories onto your new Goldwing. Thank you for looking, and please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, press like below. Thank you.